Good morning. This is day one of a daily vlog sprint. Let's see how it works. Alright. The hammock needs to get done. What we've got here is supplies for my water tank. And then here we've got some nice wood for a kitchen block. So hammock, water, cutting board. Done. So what needs to be done with the hammock? 1 trim, 2 bolts, 3 light sanding, 4 finish, 5 out. The hammock's gonna go out here. I'm thinking right like that. Okay, quick update. Ends have been trimmed. Finishing up sanding. Okay, quick update. This guy, first coat of urethane, Aspire urethane, outdoor, has gone on. Waiting for that to dry. Got a little distracted trying to prep. Realized I really need to pull weeds out back here. So I started there, finished up the hour doing that. I think I won't make it a priority, but anytime I have to wait for something like that to dry before I move it, I'm gonna do some weeding. Hello, quick update. This is left still drying. I cut the 2x4s down for the water tank. Started in the groove. I really should have invested in a dado blade, or at least a router bit for that, because I only have a 3/4 inch router bit for that table right now. So, and this needs to be 1/2 inch. Okay, quick update. Moved the hammock out here. About to start painting the underside with some Aspire urethane, and then that should be pretty much done in the next hour. I'm doing a little bit of cleanup, but I finished the bottom ones. Still need to knock out the... So after I finish these guys up and cleaning up a little bit, I'm gonna do the hammock, and then start in on the sheets. Alright, quick update. I cut the 9-inch strips off. About to cut the base on this guy. Fiberglass showed up. Hey, quick update. Got the hammock. Realized that this guy, who I redid all this stuff, I don't really have a good way to hook it onto the chains, so I got my camping hammock out. Tested it out. There's a little too much flex in here, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut a piece and just lay it down. That's what I'm gonna do, because it wants to, see how it goes up like that? Yeah, it wants to do that, and I think with a piece there, that should fix that. So these guys are these are the sides to all the boxes. They are to size. The next step is to cut the joinery on those guys, and I think I'm gonna try and aim for a little bit of cleanup before that. No. All right, quick update. This is the initial dry fit. Got these guys coming out pretty good. Okay, where are we at? Glued and screwed the bottom together. Cut up the ribs. Put some on the bottom. Stain, clean, groceries. Okay, final update of the day. For day one, went pretty good. A couple things. I need to maybe set aside a I don't know. Cleaning seems to occupy a lot of my time. I kind of knew that. Okay, stains on. I'm gonna cut some insulation, but with the cat sitting on, cut some insulation. Insulation. Boom. Cat. Doom. Tomorrow. Done. Oh yeah, and then also do, I think, the walls and everything else. Do the joinery with the angled pieces and the walls, and maybe be ready for fiberglass the next day. This guy needs a piece. He works fine. He holds weight. He just bows, and then because he's bowed, these guys come way up, and then there's too much rocking. So that's that.